At WWDC 2022, Apple mentioned Matter, formerly known as Project Connected Home over IP. Actually, at WWDC last year, they announced support for Matter in your smart home app, but it's delayed. Matter is a new smart home standard backed by Apple and others. It's built up on IP protocol and will use existing network technologies in attempt to unify smart home platforms. That means Matter certified devices will be using standard stuff like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE, Zigbee, and Thread to connect to your network and each other. As both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology advance, Matter will probably continue to incorporate new standards. Just as Matter's previous name was Project Connected Home over IP, Matter works based on the IP protocol. Operating based on IP means that individual devices configuring a smart home have an IP address, and it means that devices communicate based on IP. One thing I want to say is there is a way to connect HomeKit with ESP32. What I want to do is make a Matter accessory based on ESP32. I don't know how Apple will enable connectivity sooner or later, but I'm pretty sure it will be possible in some way. Our lovely ESP32 can also be based on Matter platform. It means we can try to make Matter accessories with our ESP32. This is so good because we can make our own hardware to connect to Apple's HomeKit or others. This will allow us to link our hardware with HomeKit and access it from anywhere. This is more important to people who make devices from scratch like me for just a hobby. Let's say you want to make your own color lamp like a Philips Hue. I don't know what kind of lamp you want to make, but you probably make a super crazy lamp with your flash ideas. And then controlling it by Siri or Alexa from your phone. It'll be so fun. In this video, we're gonna look at the most basic parts together with the example provided by Matter. What I have prepared here is my iPhone and ESP32. This is just a Rollin 32 Lite and IRI 9341 TFT LCD. I have installed CHIP tool on my iPhone through Xcode. All code I use here is from the Connected Home IP's GitHub repository. This demo illustrates controlling on and off of the cluster attributes of an endpoint. Let's say you just got a HomeKit accessory. The first thing to do is to enter the Wi-Fi credential on the device to connect to the home network. Most manufacturers include a QR code with the product so that the necessary information can be entered into the device through it. Very common way. In the same way, Matter accessories get credentials and necessary information through BLE after QR scanning. If your Matter accessories have a display, it can display the QR code directly on the screen. Otherwise, you can print out and enclose it with your product. Let me show you how it works. Here, you can scan the QR code. A pop-up appears to enter the SSID and password for the Wi-Fi to connect. The BLE information of a Matter accessory can be obtained by QR code and it tries to connect with it. When it's connected, the Matter accessory requests the necessary information from the client device. Currently, there are several menus on this app, but what we're gonna do is the right on and off cluster. It's like a hello world, simply control the LED through the app. The connected device ID is displayed. If multiple devices are connected, you can select and control one of them. Let's turn the right on. Did you notice the green square status light turns on here? Let me turn it on and off again and repeat. This is simply sending 0 and 1, but I'm pretty sure this is a small step for the big picture. This is the overall system I want to build. I want to communicate with Matter accessories at home through HomeKit from the outside. Apple's Home Bridge is required to access devices remotely using HomeKit. This could be an iPad, Apple TV 4th generation, or a HomePod. As far as I know, this seems to be the only way. Anyway, after a more specific device is completed, I will prepare a new video. Today's video ends here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.